Yagwa Pastor on that TV, ABS,
that shows that Pastor is a businessman. On the issue of the second surety, Esanyu, Bino. There is no legal requirement that a surety for any person should come within the jurisdiction of court. Chimbo Richard and Kato Benson, who also come from within the jurisdiction of this client. We pray that since he has not been working, court can reconsider. Without trial. However, Your Honor, he has not been treated of the diabetes so as to get the medical funds. Your Honor, we have a right to health and a right to medical treatment by our personal doctors.
The prosecution case is that on the 27th of March 2020, at Revival Christian Church Kawala,
Revival Church Kawala,
before BBC Television,
BBC TV,
Spark Television, NBS Television, and Sanyuka Television cameras, you uttered words that there was no coronavirus in Africa and in Uganda. Knowing or having reason to believe that it is likely to spread the infection of the virus, dangerous to life. You were arrested and charged in court on 30th March 2020. Are we together from the other side? Can you hear us now?
Yes.
You can hear us?
You can hear us?
Okay. This application was first considered on 16 April 2020.
Kooti yasooka n'okulisa okusabako 16
where the court declined to grant the application on 2 grounds.
Kooti bwe yagaana okukkiriza okutta ku nsonga bbiri.
That the sureties presented were not substantial.
Abali balese okweyimirira nga kooti yali
Applicants had informed court that he was diabetic. No evidence had been furnished to prove that fact.
n'obadde wagamba kooti oli mulwadde wa sukaali wali tuwaleeta bujulizi bwonna okulaga ekyo.
Hence the present application.
Leero katuli kuno kusaba okwokubiri.
Like earlier stated, accused persons have a right to apply for bail by virtue of Article 23, Clause 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda.
Ssemateeka Uganda ekkiriza abantu okusaba okweyimirira.
The grant, however, is discretionary to the court as per the case of Uganda versus Yiga.
Naye obuyinza busigala eri kooti okukkiriza oba obutakkiriza.
In deciding whether or not to grant bail, the court will consider the nature of the accusation,
Kooti ejjagenderera omusango ki gwe bakuvunaana,
the gravity of the offence charged, bail over,
naye ekisinga nti n'omuntu oba bakkiriza okweyimirira omuntu oba nakuutira oli gwe beeyimiridde okukoma mu kooti.
control, and where necessary to compel the accused to abide by the terms and conditions of bail.
N'aba nga kyetaagisa omuntu omukaka okumuleeta mu kooti okukwakiriza.
Miss Esanyu Tompisha Erika.
Mukyala Erika Kyomugisha.
These sureties are business partners.
Bano bazze okweyimirira abantu okola nabo obusuubuzi.
And the 2 of them are within the jurisdiction of the court.
Ababiri babeera mu kitundu kooti mwegula.
I have considered the 2 sureties.
Kooti ebatunuliddemu bombi.
And I'm satisfied that they have the capacity to guarantee that the applicant, when released on bail, will comply with the terms and conditions of bail.
Kooti ekkiriza nti bajja kutuukiriza obukwakkulizo.
They are substantial within the context of this application.
Kooti ebakkiriza.
Another ground for refusal was that the applicant had not presented evidence. It's only fair and just that he is released on bail to enable him to seek medical treatment. In the final result, therefore, I find merit in the application, and the accused person should be released on bail on the following terms. And here I want you to listen to me very, very carefully. I'm talking about the accused person. Can you hear me on the terms? Because I want you to get the terms clearly.
Yes, Your Worship.
The applicant is to execute a non-cash bond of Uganda shillings 2 million.
Kooti ekutadde Kukakalu million 2 ezitaliiwo.
The 2 sureties within the jurisdiction of the court, each to execute a non-cash bond of Uganda shillings 5 million.
Abakweyimiridde million 5 ezitaliiwo.
The applicant is hereby ordered to comply with all operating directives and law in force intended to prevent the spread of COVID.
Kooti ekulagira otuukirize ate ogondere amateeka gonna agateereddwawo okulwanyisa obulwadde bwa COVID-19
okutangira. The applicant is in the strongest terms hereby restrained from making comments in form of opinion about COVID-19.
Kooti ekuwoniinze ssebo tokkirizibwa kwogera kintu kyonna oba ndowoozayo ku bulwadde bwa COVID-19
before his followers,
mu maaso abagoberera bo,
on his television station,
ku TV yo ssebo,
on any social media platform,
ku mpulizigana yonna egatta abantu,
on any radio station,
ku rediyo yonna
or television station,
oba TV yonna,
whether by way of interview or online posting.
kubanga baze ku interviewinga oba okuwandika ku mukuti ogwo gwonna.
Lastly, the applicant is also advised to be mindful of the sub-judice rule as long as this case is still ongoing. Obutayogera ku musango guno kasita gubanga gukyali mu kooti. I so order. The case is adjourned. So the case is adjourned to 25th June 2020 for mission.
Mwezi ogujja.
kubanga kibadde ekiseera ekiwanvu kyabadde amazeeyo ekijjala omulwadde kaveeyo asobole okufuna